In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a profile on Disney+. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. The first thing you want to do after you've opened up Disney Plus is go ahead and click on your avatar in the bottom right corner of your account. And then once you've clicked on that, as you can see, there's an option there for edit profiles. Go ahead and select that. And then once you've selected edit profiles, all you need to go ahead and do is choose the profile you want to go ahead and delete. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this kids profile here. And then once you've clicked on that, all you need to go and do from here is scroll down to the bottom until you see delete profile. Go ahead and select delete profile. So once you've selected that, as you can see, it will delete all profile history, watch list and activity that has been done on that account. So if you want to go ahead and delete it, all you need to go ahead and do is select delete. And then as you can see, that account has now been deleted and I've only got this primary account left on the account. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.